back to another video. It's Jack of Everything. So for today's unboxing and review video, we're going to be unboxing the Canon Pixma TS8320. And as you can see from the picture, yes, it is a printer. So number one, it's my first time unboxing something from Canon. And two, it's my first time unboxing a full-size printer. I know, unboxing a printer. That is awesome. And if you look at the picture, the printer is in the color of red, or product red if you're a Jack of Everything fan. But guys, if you've been watching me for a long time, you'll know that I am obsessed with product red. And since this printer is product red, that is straight up amazing. Like, I never knew product red printers existed, but here we are. And also, I just wanted to say, if you look at the bottom of here, you'll see that it is a color printer because it shows you the inks it comes with. And since it's a color printer, that is straight up awesome, because if you want to print something on a piece of paper and you want it to be in color instead of the boring black and white, well, now you can with the Canon Pixma TS8320. And yes, I know the name is long, but anyway, let's look at the main tech specs before we unbox it. So looking at the front, it says that it has front and rear paper feeding. So you can put your paper on the top or the bottom, doesn't matter, it will still print. And it also has auto two-sided printing. So if you want to print a double-sided piece of paper, well, you don't need to make the effort and flip the paper when it's done with the first side. Now we'll just do it automatically. And it also has mobile device printing. So basically you can take your mobile device and print a photo right from it. So guys, I could take my iPhone, select a photo from my photo album, and print it on the printer. Bam, it's that easy. It's so cool. And this is the most mind-blowing part. This is the part that also doesn't make much sense, but it's so cool. You can print on a CD. Okay, first of all, that is straight up awesome. And second of all, how is that even possible? I have no idea, but you can print on a CD. So, yeah, that is straight up mind-blowing. And it also has printable nail stickers. I do not know what nail stickers are, but since you can print nail stickers, I guess that's, more features are better, but I don't know what nail stickers are. And it has a 10.8 centimeter touch screen. Yes, a printer has a touch screen. And look, I know a lot of printers have a touch screen, like the printers at like stores like Staples, but a home printer, that is straight up awesome. And it has 6 individual color ink tanks. So that means that, let's say your cyan color tank is running low on ink, and let's say every other one is full. Well, if that one is low, like the ink is low, then you don't have to buy a full set of ink. You can just get one individual ink and you save money. It's that cool. But now I'm done talking about the tech specs. So now, let's grab my scissors and cut open. So I think what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take the scissors and cut the tape like this. Yeah, this is working. So you cut it like this, and then you can cut it from this side, and then you cut it open like this. So you're supposed to, this is exactly what you do. Okay, so here guys, actually I'm going to do it like this. Well guys, we got the box open, so I don't think we need the scissors anymore. So let's just open this. Okay, so now we just got this box here. I'm pretty sure these are where the color tanks are. Well, the ink tanks are. So we're just gonna move that to the side right here. Move the scissors out of the way so no one gets hurt. And this, guys, is the printer right here. But right now, we're just going to move this styrofoam. Oh, wait, actually, this is the actual printer. So, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean the box down. So, I'm going to do this. And, guys, we're going to pull it out. Okay, guys, I got it. Okay guys, the printer's coming out. Okay, so guys, now we just gotta move the styrofoam out. Take this off. And now flip it. Don't want to damage it, so I'm being super careful. Oh, well. Okay, so it's supposed to be like this and sit. Okay, so guys, now what we do is we just take this plastic off. And guys, this is the printer. And look how much tape there is. Why is there so much tape? Mom, why do you think there's so much tape?
To protect it from scratches.
Well, yeah, I know, but like it's like overloaded amounts of tape. So now we're just gonna take the plastic off the bottom. Ugh. And guys, this is the printer. So right now we're just gonna take the plastic off. So guys, I don't know, but I think we got the main plastic off. And yeah, guys, so this is the Canon Pixma TS8320. Look at it, guys. It's product red and it looks gorgeous. And unfortunately, we can't just turn it on because it obviously needs to be plugged in. And also, guys, I just want to say that this thing can take SD cards. So if your, let's say, camera supports an SD card, you can just slip it in here and you can print whatever is on your camera. And that is straight up awesome, although I don't have a camera. I think my mom does though, but I don't have a camera. And if you want to see the inside, this is what it looks like. And guys, if you look here, this is where you put your ink tank. So that's a cyan, black, I think purple. Is that purple, Mom? I don't know if that's purple.
No, that's photo blue.
That's photo blue. And this is yellow. And this is magenta, I think. And what do you think this is? PGBK.
I don't know.
Okay, guys, I'm not really an expert on printers, like color printers, but yeah, this looks pretty darn complicated. So, yeah, guys, we are going to go plug this printer in my room, and yeah, we're just gonna test it out. So guys, right now we're in my room right now. As you can see, right now we got the printer hooked up to power, as you can see from all the cords and the power bar. But right now we're about to hit the power button and watch the screen turn on. There it is. It says Canon. Yeah, it says Canon, and let's see what it says next.
2 hours.
So guys, the printer finally loaded. Now it's asking us a language, so we're just gonna select English. Yes. Start print setup. Choose with setup by referring to the manual. Okay? Mom, what do you think?
I don't know.
Okay guys, we're gonna start the print setup. Okay, wait, did I just do, okay. Okay, so guys, right now we are going to insert the ink tanks. So we will be right back when we are actually fully set up, because yeah, this is gonna take a little while. So guys, we are gonna set up our ink tanks right now. So yeah, we are gonna set up. So guys, right now we just got done setting up the Canon printer, and as you can see on the touch screen on the bottom left corner, we connected it to our 5G Wi-Fi. As you can see right here, it's connected to our Wi-Fi, as you can see from the Wi-Fi symbol. And also what else I did is, I grabbed my iPhone, yes, and I also downloaded the Canon print app. As you can see, it says print with all my other apps I have. So right now we're just going to open it. And there is the app, guys. You got photo print, document print, create photo items, smartphone copy, and you got scan, copy, and more. And you got the printer's name, Canon TS8320 series. And I know it's not called series, but that's what series it's in. So if you want to print a photo right from your iPhone or Android phone if you have one. But anyway, if you want to, then you go to photo print. And guys, I'm just going to select a photo right from my photo album. So I'm going to go to recents. And I'm going to use this photo of a Japanese SNES controller. And I actually posted this photo on my Instagram page if you want to check me out. But anyway, right now we're just going to use this photo. So we're just going to press select. And we're going to press next. And we are going to go to print settings just so it will actually print. Okay, yeah, that's good. Right, Mom? Okay, so I think that is good. Mom didn't say anything. But now, all we do is press print. And now we just wait. And now the paper should print in here because as you can see, guys, we put some paper right here, as you can see. So yeah, right now we're just gonna see what the screen says. And right now it is about to print. So let's see what the screen says. Right now it's making some noises. And right now, guys, as you can see, there's actually little symbols to represent how much ink you have in your tanks. So right now, we're going to see if the paper goes down. So, guys, right now, we're going to see if the paper goes down. I mean, obviously it will, but let's see how it does. How it goes. Let's see if it's... Oh, actually, guys,
Yeah,
never
see,
mind. It
that's
was
why I
actually
was
coming
here.
from the bottom. Wait for it, guys. I don't want to pull it yet. Well, there you have it, guys. We just printed a Japanese SNES controller, and it's colored, and I did it right from my iPhone. Okay, guys, that is simply awesome. And, guys, look, it's actually colored. See, green, blue, yellow, and product red. So, yeah. It is indeed a color printer. But now, guys, it's not actually the end of the video. We're just going to put this here to the side because if you go over here to my MacBook that's sleeping right now, I actually connected the printer to my MacBook. So right now we're going to take the same photo, the Japanese SNES controller, and I'm going to prove that it also works on my MacBook. Or Windows PC if you are using that. But anyway, right now we're just going to go to File. We're going to go to Print, which is down here. And guys, this is it right now. We don't want it two-sided, not black and white. I mean, why would you want a black and white when it's a color printer? It doesn't make sense. Okay, one copy. And yeah, guys, I think we're ready to print. So let's hit the touch bar. So right now, let's move to the printer. And there it shows the ink cartridges, how much ink we have. Right now I'm looking at the bottom and the page is coming out, guys. And guys, it's about to come out right now. You guys, it's coming out right now. Guys, we're about to pull it out, and bam, guys, you can also print colored pictures such as this Japanese SNES controller, also from your laptop or MacBook if you're like me. But this one's kind of different because it actually left a not product red, but a white border around it. And I mean, that's not really a big deal. I mean, you could just either print it again without the border, or you could just cut it with scissors. But anyway, guys, I just want to say that both ways are good. Either you print it from your laptop or your smartphone or iPhone or MacBook if you're like me. But anyway, that is the end of the video of unboxing and reviewing the Canon Pixma TS8320. And yeah, it's really cool. It's product red, it has a touch screen, and it's a color printer overall. So yeah, it's awesome. So I think we can end the video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!